Welcome to our journey through the stunning landscapes of Burundi. Nestled in the heart of East Africa, Burundi is a small, landlocked country, roughly the size of Maryland. This hidden gem, surrounded by Rwanda to the north, Tanzania to the east and south, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the west, is a treasure trove of scenic wonders. The geography of Burundi is as diverse as it is beautiful, with the western half of the country featuring an array of mountains and the eastern half boasting vast, flat plains. It's a land where shimmering lakes meet rugged mountains and expansive savannas. The country is dotted with distinctive scenic spots, each with its own unique charm and allure. From the majestic Lake Tanganyika to the enchanting Rusizi National Park, the rugged Rurubu River, and the picturesque Kibera National Park, Burundi offers a visual feast for the soul. Now, prepare to be amazed as we delve into some of the most remarkable sceneries in this beautiful country. First on our list is the majestic Lake Tanganyika. Steeped in a long history and brimming with natural beauty, Lake Tanganyika is a sight to behold. This splendid jewel of Burundi is not just any ordinary lake, it holds the title of being the second oldest freshwater lake in the world, a testament to its timeless allure. Nestled in the heart of Africa, Lake Tanganyika stretches across 4 countries, with Burundi boasting some of the most stunning sections. The lake's clear blue waters mirror the sky above, creating a breathtaking panorama that's a feast for the eyes. Its sandy beaches invite visitors to relax and soak in the tranquil beauty, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. But what truly sets Lake Tanganyika apart is its vibrant ecosystem. It's a cradle of biodiversity, teeming with diverse species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. From hundreds of different types of cichlid fish to the elusive crocodiles and hippos, Lake Tanganyika is a living, breathing testament to the wonders of evolution and natural selection. And it's not just about the aquatic life. The lake is surrounded by lush landscapes, filled with exotic birds and animals. It's a paradise for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts, offering a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with nature in its rawest form. The lake also plays a significant role in the local communities. It's a source of livelihood, providing fish for food and water for irrigation. Its beaches serve as gathering spots, where stories are shared and friendships are forged. For the people of Burundi, Lake Tanganyika is more than just a body of water. It's a symbol of life, abundance, and community. Truly a paradise for nature and water enthusiasts, Lake Tanganyika offers a scenic feast unlike any other. This magnificent lake with its clear blue waters, sandy beaches, and abundant wildlife is a testament to the enduring beauty and resilience of nature. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the tranquility, discover new species, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Next, we journey to the enchanting Rusizi National Park. Nestled in the heartland of Burundi, this remarkable sanctuary is a testament to nature's enduring splendor. The park is a vibrant tapestry of ecosystems, each one teeming with life and contributing to the beauty and complexity of the landscape. At the heart of the park, the Rusizi River gently winds its way through lush marshlands, savannas, and forests, creating an environment that supports a staggering array of biodiversity. From the towering acacia trees to the delicate water lilies floating on the river's surface, every element of the park is intricately connected, each one playing a vital role in this thriving ecosystem. The park is a treasure trove of wildlife. It is home to an impressive array of creatures, from graceful antelopes to lumbering hippos, each species adding another brushstroke to the park's vibrant canvas. Among the park's star attractions are the Nile crocodiles. Their powerful forms a reminder of nature's raw, untamed beauty. But the Rusizi National Park is not just about the animals on land and in the water. Look up, and you'll find a feathered spectacle. The park is a paradise for birdwatchers, with over 200 species of birds adding a riot of color and melody to the landscape. From the regal fish eagles to the vibrant kingfishers, the park's avian residents make every visit a joy for the senses. The river itself provides opportunities for unique adventures. Embark on a boat trip and let the gentle currents guide you through the park. As you glide along the water, you'll get a front row seat to nature's theater, with every bend in the river revealing new wonders. As we leave the park, we take with us memories of its breathtaking views, the chorus of its bird songs, and the thrill of seeing its wildlife up close. The enchanting Rusizi National Park is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of nature itself. Rusizi National Park, a haven for wildlife, and a haven for those who appreciate nature's grandeur. Now let's explore the rugged beauty of the Rurubu River. The Rurubu River, a winding waterway that cuts through the heart of Burundi, is a sight to behold. This river is not just a geographical feature, it's a lifeline, a provider, a playground, and a testament to the country's untamed beauty. The river's course is a fascinating journey in itself. Originating from the highlands of the East African Rift Valley, the Rurubu plunges through steep valleys and expansive plains, creating a breathtaking spectacle of water and land. It finally culminates its journey by merging into the grand Lake Tanganyika, contributing to its vast expanse. The landscapes surrounding the Rurubu River are equally captivating. Dense forests with lush green canopies pepper the riverbanks, while the distant hills stand as silent spectators to the river's relentless flow. These landscapes are home to an array of wildlife, making the river a corridor for nature's most intriguing spectacles. But the Rurubu River isn't just about serene landscapes and tranquil moments, it's also a hub for outdoor enthusiasts and thrill seekers. The river's rapids and currents make it an ideal spot for whitewater rafting. Feel the adrenaline rush as you navigate through the challenging rapids, with the river's power beneath your raft and the wind in your face. For those who prefer a calm and relaxing activity, the Rurubu River is also a popular spot for fishing. You can sit by the riverbank, cast your line, and wait for a bite, all while taking in the serene beauty around you. It's a perfect way to connect with nature and experience the simplicity and joy of a traditional pastime. In essence, the Rurubu River is more than just a body of water flowing through Burundi. It's a vital part of the country's identity, a source of life and sustenance, a place for adventure and relaxation, and a symbol of the nation's rugged, wild beauty. The Rurubu River, a testament to Burundi's untamed and wild beauty. Lastly, we take you to the picturesque Kibera National Park. Nestled in the heart of Burundi, this sprawling green oasis is a testament to the country's commitment to preserving the natural world. Imagine a place where the air is crisp and fresh, filled with the fragrance of diverse flora. This is Kibera National Park, a place where verdant landscapes intermingle with the untamed wilderness. As you traverse through the park, you'll be enchanted by the sight of dense forests that stretch as far as the eye can see. These forests are a sanctuary for a wide variety of plants, some of which are unique to this part of the world. But it's not just the lush landscapes that make Kibera National Park a paradise for nature lovers. This park is home to an array of rare and endangered species. From the elusive mountain gorilla to the vibrant sunbird, each creature adds a unique touch to the park's rich biodiversity. You might even catch a glimpse of the rare colobus monkey, or hear the distinctive call of the African gray parrot echoing through the forest. One of the highlights of Kibera National Park is undoubtedly its breathtaking views. From the park's highest points you can gaze out over a sea of green, punctuated by the shimmering waters of the Nile River. On a clear day, you can even see the distant outlines of the Congo and Rwanda. It's a sight that's sure to leave you in awe of the beauty that nature has to offer. Kibera National Park is more than just a park. It's a testament to the diversity and resilience of nature. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. There's something truly magical about Kibera National Park. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a casual traveler, you're sure to find something that captivates your heart in this natural wonderland. Kibera National Park, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. And that concludes our scenic journey through Burundi. We've immersed ourselves in the tranquility of Lake Tanganyika, wandered through the diverse wildlife of Rusizi National Park, navigated the rugged landscapes of the Rurubu River, and marveled at the lush beauty of Kibera National Park. Each of these places, unique in its own right, contributes to the rich tapestry of landscapes that make Burundi a must-visit destination for any travel enthusiast. This small, landlocked country in the heart of Africa, often overlooked, is a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be explored. But our journey doesn't end here, no, indeed it's just the beginning. So I ask, which area of the world would you like us to cover next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thank you for joining us on this journey.